up, guys? Tyler, WFO, and today we have Jeff's 2011 Denali HD. Jeff came in, called us a few months ago, had a FabTech 6-inch kit, 35s, blown out CV joints, tie rod ends were junk. He just wasn't really thrilled with the performance of his vehicle. So we set him up here with the 9-inch kit utilizing our King Coilovers. We chose to wrap it in Nitto Trailgrapplers in the MR312s by Method in bronze. Pretty cool wheel and tire package. Doesn't stick too far outside the fenders, so it shouldn't get messed with too much by the highway patrol. Underneath, we put the 05 and up Super Duty front. It has a 456 gear set, ARB front, Truetrac in the rear. We also added Reid racing knuckles on both sides, as well as the PSC Hydro Assist. It's got the PSC box. It's running the stock pump and the stock reservoir. Up front, it already had this bumper installed, hideaway license plate. In case your buddies get stuck out in the snow, you never know what you got to do to pull them out. One cool thing that we did was, and we, as a GM guy, we couldn't leave this. It used to say Ford right here. Now we've erased them, put nice black warrants on them. Out back, we added a set of Deavers. It should ride nice going down the highway. It's a progressive rate spring, which, you know, the stock spring is just a stock spring. This is going to ride really smooth going down the highway. It's got the Truetrac out back. And then as far as a tire carrier, as you can see up here, we utilized the B&W hitch. Cut the ball off, bent some pipe, made some plate, put a nice WFO logo, and secured it all down, so in case he ever is stuck somewhere, he's got it full size. If you like what you see here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep your eyes out for next summer on the Rubicon Trail 2020. This thing should make its debut out there, and Jeff should be out partying. So until then, give us a like and a follow, and thank you.